This is Vee Trades, and thank you for tuning in today. Today we're going to be looking at 3 tech stocks, and 2 of which will be the FANG stocks such as Apple and Netflix. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's first start with Apple and see what's going on the chart. So the volume indicator, we're going to put the only indicator I like to use, which is the EMA. I believe this is a good indicator for beginners to see the flow of the market and the direction it's headed. We got the EMA on the chart. We're going ahead and put our channel on here to have a better idea of the direction. Okay, I have my channel in place, just straight up, and then I see another channel right here because price came off the top, bounced here, bounced off the top again, came to the other side of the channel, bounced again on the channel, and then bounced again on the channel, and bounced again. Many times on the channel. This line right here is being respected. The price is making higher highs. However, I also see that there's a wall in front of the price action at this 136 level. Every time we come to this 136 level, we get rejected, and it continues to go the opposite direction. So if you were to take a long, it would have been right here in June 1st. This would have been a great long to take and then exit. And you could, if you want to be aggressive, you can hold it all the way to the other side of the channel. But if you want to play conservative, you could take some profits at this level. Let's see. I also see if you were to go for a long, this would be a good target. If you take a measured move here and you put it right here at the end of the correction, it would be the other side of the channel, which seems pretty accurate, which would be the 156 level, 157 level. So that is the technical analysis breakdown for Apple. Here we're going to be doing the technical analysis breakdown for Tesla. I see a really big uptrend, almost kind of like a bubble. However, we are still bullish because price respected this channel. As you can see here, it's a nice strong, it's pretty aggressive, 60 degrees, but there's still potential for more upside. However, price is still stuck in this range, this sideways motion. We were stuck in this sideways motion since February all the way till about April, and then it broke out, and then we broke out on the lower side, and then we fell back in, and we're still bouncing off this channel right here. If you were to go short, the target would be right here, the 407 level, because we have these gaps that need to be filled and this breakout that was never tested. As you can see here, the market likes to fill these gaps, such as this gap right here. This little wick came and filled it, so I potentially see more pullbacks coming in the future for Tesla. But if it were to break out to the long side and continue to respect this channel, we could see higher highs and even a new high in the future, probably late this year. Now we're going to go over and look at our last stock for today, which will be Netflix. Netflix is pretty interesting because it's been stuck in this sideways motion for a very long time, back in July, since July 2020. I'm going to go ahead and put a channel here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Every time it comes up to this high, which is the 560 level, it bounces back down to the lows, to the 470 level. So it's just going to continue to chop around back and forth. If you were to take a long, it would have been back here back in May, because it's at the low side of the channel, and now we're potentially going to go see the high side of the channel. And there's a good reason to take longs than a short, because the bias is up. If you look at the trend line right here, this channel fits really nice here. If you were to have targets in place, I can see the potential target of about 645, the 645 level. If the price was to break towards the lower side, I could see the target of about the 396 level, which would make sense because, again, price never came back to test this breakout level right here, this 385 level. I'm gonna go ahead and put a horizontal line so you guys can have a better idea what I'm talking about right here. So the market likes to fill these gaps, and I could potentially see some pullbacks coming in the future. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. If you found this helpful, it would mean a lot to me and it would help the channel grow. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.